Stop by and take a look at the 2020 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear performance, fog lamps, remote trunk release. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.